get all this beautiful
What
food.
is the best high-end meal that you've ever had?
Well, that's certainly one of them. Again, stupidly lucky life. I've had a few.
Yeah.
There's, I got to eat at El Bulli. I got to eat at Alinea. I got to eat at the French Laundry and Per Se. I got to eat at Narasawa in Tokyo and Gagan in Thailand and
Wow. And Osteria Francescana.
and Francescana. They're all amazing. There's a place in Barcelona now called Disfrutar that I recommend, which means enjoy in Spanish. That's one of the top high-end meals I ever had. There's a lot of them, and I can't say I love them more than a hot dog that's really good, or a slice or a great piece of pizza. I really can't. I understand them. I get it. But I'll tell you something. You ever been stuck in a bad one? A bad 4-hour white tablecloth dinner?
Yes, I have.
Yourself. As expensive, as fancy as it is, and everything is nice and but you can't. It's like I can't anymore. I would rather have a slice of pizza with you than sit there for 4 hours. My back hurts. I can't.
It's the worst. One is if the food isn't good. Two is like I went to one and I was fighting with my ex during a 4-hour, we were at Mugaritz in San Sebastian. It was
no good.
No bueno.
No bueno.
Well, speaking of the pizza that could hold a candle to those things, what is the best low-end meal you've ever had? So this could be like a street food, like just a bite of street food that you had in Thailand or something, just a...
Well, since you mentioned Thailand, the cow soy in Chiang Mai. Did you see that episode?
Yes, I did.
It's a shack on the side of the road in Chiang Mai, and it's this coconut curry broth with beautiful homemade noodles at the bottom, like the best pasta you ever had. And then there's pickled shallots and mustard greens and chilies. So it's kind of like incredibly balanced and spicy. And then either chicken or beef or pork or tofu or shrimp or crab, whatever meat you want in there, they do. And then crispy noodles on top. So it's ticking all the boxes for flavor, texture. It's one of the most delicious things I've ever eaten in my life, and it's $1.
Unbelievable. So crazy. There was one thing that you had in the Vietnam episode, I believe, which was it was like a ground meat that was rolled around in some sort of leaf.
Oh yeah, that was beautiful. Yes.
That looked so cool.
Oh,
to me, I was like, I need to get to that. I need to go there tomorrow.
Bali Lat.
Bali Lat.
Was that it?
I think so.
I know it has a lot in it because we made a joke. I eat a lot of this Bali Lat.
Yeah.
I lived here. Vietnam has incredible food. Thailand has incredible food. Asia, that's a whole other thing. Korea, did you get to see that one? Where it went to Seoul?
No, I haven't seen it yet.
Yeah. Spectacular food.
As an Iranian, I'm curious if has that made it on the list, or is that on a list of possible countries?
I can't wait to go. I love Persian food. I love the people. I really, and in LA we have some great ones. Where's your favorite? Where should I go?
There's a place that I love called Atari, like the game.
Yeah.
That on Fridays they do a special which is called Abgusht, which is kind of a mortar and pestle mashup of beef and beans and broth, and then this amazing bread called sangak, which is cooked on little rocks.
Yes.
Thin and beautiful.
Yes.
And it's like very like Persian old man food that's kind of very hard to find, but they do a Friday special of it. And you go there, you see like all the old Persian men hanging out playing backgammon and eating this stuff.
Can I get it to go?
Probably, yeah.
Atari, what part of town?
It's in Westwood. I'll find out. I'll email you. I'll let you know if they're delivering.
talking about chicken a la king, mango and garbanzo tabbouleh, grilled potatoes and vegetables with roasted garlic and basil, zucchini ziti, granola fruit bar. Look at all this beautiful food.